Hey guys, Dynamite 647 here, and this is just a tutorial on how to replace your driver's side rearview mirror. I broke mine, so I gotta replace it. Some tools you're gonna need before you start your replacement is this dash opening kit. I bought this really cheap from a Chinese website. A 10mm socket for range, and Phillips head screwdriver. Just make sure you lay out everything in the grass. It just makes it more effective that way. So to remove the mirror, you have to first remove this entire door trim piece. You can remove the speaker cover easily by just prying it open, and then you gotta remove this plastic piece. There's a Phillips head screwdriver behind it. You gotta remove that. And the door right here, when you remove this little plastic piece, there's this Phillips head screw. You gotta remove that. Let's remove the screw. You can remove this piece, disconnect it, and then you can pull the entire door trim piece out slowly. We'll go through it step by step. And this is a separate piece as well that comes out towards the end. Let's remove everything. You can just take the mirror out by removing 3 10mm bolts that are located right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the speaker first. Just pick the smallest of the tools. Start right here. And just push it out. It's like so. You don't need to apply too much pressure on it. Just remove it like so. I've removed the speaker piece. It's this thing right here. Just pops out. You can just leave this here. This is not going to affect your installation. So I took this piece out. This was right behind, right here. Just pops out. You gotta remove this Phillips head screw, and then you gotta remove this. You just do that. And as you can see, you gotta remove that. Once we remove this screw, this one, we can pop this out. This is simple. You can just pop this out, slide it out, and then we can remove the entire door trim piece and the mirror. So I'll go ahead and do that in return. So I've removed both screws, the one down here, the one over here, and now you can just pop this piece out. There's a connector under this which connects to the buttons and all that. We gotta remove that, and then we're good to go. There you go, it just pops out. So, oops, I think I zoomed in. So there's just this connector. You gotta unplug it so you can remove this piece out. Alright, so I removed this piece. As you can see, there was the connector, and it's just fairly easy. You just gotta press this little tab right here, right there, and then you just pull it out. Now that we have that, so now that we have removed the buttons, we can go ahead, remove this, detach it from. So you just put the tool in and just pry it open gently, right, all the way around. So you're gonna hear clicking noise. Some of these are already done. That's why. There we go. Then so I got the window button removed. You just push it in and it just pops out. That's where it's attached to these 2 tabs right here. And as soon as you remove that, since you have removed all the clips already, it should just easily come out. Now you can put this aside. So now I'm going to remove this plastic piece right here. Okay. So you're going to unplug this. So these 3 bolts we got to remove. Alright, so now that I've removed the three 10mm bolts, I'm just going to slide the broken mirror out, and everything should be good. Here we go. One other thing, well, at least with my mirror replacement, I have to do is, you see on the back, this didn't come with the plastic cover. There was the plastic cover is very expensive, whatnot. So I'm going to remove this one from the existing one, and this is also very straightforward. There's this all around. There's lines all around it. You just pry it open, and the piece just comes out. So now I'm going to go ahead, install the mirror. First, I already tested it works. Install the mirror, plug it in, cover this up, and then just reverse order, install everything back in. Okay guys, so I've installed the 10mm bolts, 3 of them, connected the wire, put the plastic piece back. This will go to the speaker. This is the last thing basically. Now I'm going to remove the plastic piece like that, and just remove it all the way. Once you pop it open, we'll install it on the new mirror, and then we'll go back and I'll install this in the plastic door trim piece first, and then just install the whole thing and secure it up. Alright, so I roughly put the plastic trim piece back. Just slide this in from the back. It's all like Lego, it can only go one way. The mirror is installed. Now you can just make sure all the connections are okay. You can just sort of on the top, I just hold it so everything is okay. Once you're happy with everything, just put the Phillips screwdriver back, Phillips screw head back. Put the plastic piece here, which goes like that right behind it. Connect the cable for the power buttons and everything, which are right here. Slide it in, install it, and then you're done. Alright guys, we're all done. One important thing I should mention is, before closing up this area in the plastic piece, make sure you put the speaker back, because this area has to go under or behind this. So you can put this piece in roughly, put the speaker in, then close it in. There's a tab right here, it secures it. But other than that, make sure everything is good. The buttons have been placed back, everything is done, everything works. Mirror is installed, so is the plastic piece on the back. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments. See you guys later.